Does the Aussie sun make your backyard feel more like a desert than a retreat? Hi, I'm Sarah, and after 10 years of helping fellow Aussies build stunning outdoor spaces, I know firsthand how frustrating it can be to find the right shade solution without breaking the bank. When I started Alfresco Lifestyle, I realized something. So many people, just like you, want to create a functional and beautiful outdoor space but don't always know where to start. That's why I've spent the last decade simplifying the process of DIY shade sails so you can enjoy the outdoors without the scorching heat. When I first started, I saw how complex it seemed, getting the right measurements, the materials, not to mention figuring out where and how to install everything. It was daunting. But through trial and error, I developed a foolproof system that has helped hundreds of homeowners just like you install beautiful shade sails in their own backyards. At Alfresco Lifestyle, I make it simple. You send me your measurements and I'll walk you through everything, what you need, how to install it, and even tips to make sure your shade sail lasts for years. Whether you need a little help or a lot, I'm here to make sure your DIY project is a success. Ready to transform your outdoor space? I'm here to help you every step of the way. Get in touch with me today. Just shoot me an email or give me a call, and let's get started on your perfect DIY shade sail.